Hi everybody, it's Miss Susan from FBC, Speech Therapist, and I am going to show you a video about how to make a no solder battery interrupter. This is probably the easiest one to make. So first, the list of things that you're going to need. The most important is this little bit right here, which you can buy on Amazon. On Amazon, it is called a 3.5 millimeter screw terminal mono female to 2-pin female screw terminal. So if you type that in, I think these are packages of 5. I think they're $8.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with these materials, you'll be able to make 5 battery interrupters. So this is the first bit that you'll need. Speaker wire, also available on Amazon. Double-sided, adhesive copper tape. I got 2-inch just because it's kind of easier to work with, and you can cut whatever size you want if you use 2-inch. So those are the 3 things that you can order off Amazon to get you started. The terminal, speaker wire, and copper tape. Things that you probably have at home: screwdriver. You can use wire cutters, also for strippers, or I've actually done it just with scissors. And last, construction paper or a business card. Either one will work. So after you have all those supplies, first thing you're going to do is take your speaker wire and cut the length that you want. I'm just going to cut it here. So I have a piece about this long. And then I'm going to go ahead and strip a little bit of the plastic coating on each side. Sometimes it's easier said than done, but the speaker wire is pretty easy. So I just stripped a tiny bit off each end, and then with the speaker wire you can kind of pull it apart so you have 2 sides. I don't know if you can see that. So a little tuft of exposed wire here. This one actually, I'm going to cut a little bit. Okay, so you have that on one side. Then other side, we're going to do the same thing. Just strip a little tuft to expose the wire. There we go. So same thing on this side. Hope you can see that. Just a little tuft of wire on each side. Okay. So then from there, sorry about that. Recording at home. So what I'm going to do next is take one side, and there's 2 holes in the back of this terminal, and I'm going to trim this down a little bit and trim this one down a little bit, so now it's very tiny. You're going to stick the wire in each side, doesn't matter which one, and then stick the wire in, and then a little bit of the I'm going to cut this even smaller because you want a little bit of the plastic to go in too, because that will give it a nice hold when we screw it in. So stick that in one side, the other one goes in the other side, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver and just screw it in tight. One side, and the other side. So now it looks like this. And actually I'm going to redo that one because you want to get some of the plastic in there too. You don't want to have the exposed wire, so this one didn't really work as well. So I'll just unscrew it and redo it. And need my glasses. Stick that in there. side again. All right, that one looks good. So each side it's screwed in, and then this actually has a hole that you can put your switch on. Then your other side, I'm going to cut some of this adhesive copper wire, taking off the plastic coating on top. And I'm just going to cut 2 pieces like this. I'm going to cut something similar out of my construction paper, like this. I'm going to put 1 wire on this side, like that. And I'm going to tape it down with the copper tape. One side. Oops, it's kind of rolling up on me. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. So see how I taped one side down on one side of the construction paper? Then I'm going to tape down the other side with the other wire. Like so. Okay, so there's my other side taped down. Then now I can cut it kind of nicely. Like this. Cut this side, that side, 1 wire on each side. I've got this one, and you're done. Now you just have to stick this in the battery door. You can either use the spring end, the plus or the negative side, and you're just going to stick it in there. So it's on hitting one side has the battery, and the other side is either the spring or the bump inside the battery door. Fold it over, put the top on, and you should be able to switch control any on-off battery operated toy. That's it. You can email me with any questions, svanwie@crway.org, or my personal cell phone number is 602-705-8705. You guys can call me, text me, email me if you have questions. But hopefully this will be a quick and easy project. If you order those 3 supplies on Amazon, you'll be able to get 5 different battery operators or battery interrupters, and give the kiddos something to play with while in quarantine. So thank you, and we'll be in touch. Bye.